Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change time format to 12-hour Windows 11. Validate in the taskbar that the 24-hour format is currently in effect. Now open the control panel from the search box. There, click on Clock and Region, then click on the region line. In this new window, leave the values that you see on the screen in the short hour and long hour fields. Click on Apply and OK. Now validate that the format is 12 hours. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.